Hello everyone and welcome to yet another update of Revit 2026 from CADCIM Technologies. So here we are going to talk about a very interesting update that has been there in Revit 2026. And this is basically a very much awaited update that I personally look into it for many years in Revit. And that's how I can easily use the project browser. So here I have opened a project that is basically with the sample file, the sample project of Snowdown Tower, the architecture model. And here we can see a much complex project browser over here, which is having different kinds of views and floor plans, and there are a lot of things that is there. Now, ideally, it was a time-taking, and in Revit, the Autodesk included the search option in the prior version. But now here at the top, you can see there are some tabs over here. Now let me quickly go through and see what is the utility of this tab. Now over here, you can see there is all. All means that all the views, schedules, legions, and families are available at this project browser organization. And then you have this option called views. So now here you can see only the views are filtered over here. Basically the floor plan views, the 3D views, the elevation views, and so on. If you need to look only the legends, so you can only go with the legends, and now very easily now you can bifurcate between the views and the legends. And if you choose the schedules tab over here, you can see all the schedules and in one place. And similarly, there is sheets over here, the tab over here, sheets. All the sheets are organized here, and then you have this families, and then you have the groups and the links. So I hope this particular update in Revit 2026 would be much helpful to the user who has been using Revit for a long time. Thank you for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you once again.